I'll just have to break him out.
I'm gonna need a team of the greatest minds in North Penn to pull this whole thing together.
Are we getting paid?
No, it's for the good of Rayat, or something.
Hey, is this where the Chili's meet and greet is?
Or just one mediocre one to pull this off.
Okay, Josh. First part of the plan. We're gonna have to get past security. Hello, prisoner security officer guard. I'm here on official businesses. Can you locate me to the bathroom? Then, I'll have to change. Then, you'll meet me after crawling through the vents.
Do I have to?
Don't question the master plan.
Oh, I just wanted some Chili's.
Then, you'll meet me in the facility room, which shares a wall with Rayat's cell. Josh? Josh? What happened?
I fell.
And then we'll break him out.
With what? Can we have brought anything else?
Oh my gosh, like what? No, dude, we cannot say that on the morning show. Also, it'd be way too expensive.
That would take too long.
No, it wouldn't. It's a foolproof idea and...
Rayat? Rayat! Oh my gosh, Rayat! Dude, how'd you get out?
Apparently a mysterious friend paid the bail.
Like the same mysterious friend who helped us out with that $3 million loan?
I think so.
So, does that mean I don't get the free Chili's coupons?
Sorry, man.
You have Chili's?
Wait, we're still broke, right?
Oh yeah.
Cool, just checking.
Dine and Dash?